Yeah, we want this to fit like a glove, right?
Yeah. Little view window so that I can see over into the neighbor's drop zone. I had the power company here earlier. I told them they could move on because I have enough space around the wires without taking the power down.
What's up, Damien? What's up, YouTube? Damien here. We got the sling set and wanted to show you a few things. Got some significant decay here. It's all full of water. How'd that feel? They got dunked, August. But this is most likely either from an old tear out or yeah, topping, I guess. Yeah, so this is where it was topped and then it sent all these little sprouts out. So I'm gonna come down and I'll cut it off down there by that other piece of brush to not put too much butt weight below the decay. Even though it's probably not an issue, they're pretty strong. I'm gonna go down there and then I'll make the cut. Here, little cavity. We've got an old remnants of some lion's mane mushroom. You guys like that? Go ahead and cut this off.
So these galls, these oak galls, I've heard that way back in the day of like George Washington, they mixed up some kind of solution with these things, and they used it to make invisible ink because they were doing espionage type stuff. George Washington actually was like the first master spy for the country.
You who are on the road must have a code that you can live by, and so become yourself, because the past is just a goodbye. Teach your children well, their father's hell did slowly go by, and feed them on your dreams, the one they picked, the one you know by. Don't you ever ask them why, if they told you you would cry, so just look at them and sigh, and know they love you. And you of tender years can't know the fears that your elders grew by, and so please help them with your youth. They seek the truth before they can die. Your parents well, their children's hell will slowly go by, and feed them on your dreams, the one they picked, the one you know by. Don't you ever ask them why, if they told you you would cry, so just look at them and sigh.
Yeah, I think we should be good. Well, I'll tell you what, sometimes cut like that makes me want to have a dart. Whoa, dart. Dart. We're going on an adventure. We gotta get it processed on the other side.
Now maybe did I mean to treat you bad, but I did it anyway. And then maybe some would say your life was sad, yeah, but you lived it anyway. And so maybe your friends that stand around you watch you crumble as you fall down to the ground. And then someday your friends that stand beside as you were flying, oh, you were flying oh so high. But then someday people look at you, they're what they call their own, they watch you suffer. Yeah, here you're coming home. And then someday we can take our time to brush the leaves aside so you can reach us. Hey, she suffer. Now maybe could have made my own mistakes, but I live with what I've known. And then maybe we might share in something great. Won't you look at where we've grown? Won't you look at where we've grown? And then someday comes tomorrow.
Yeah, we're just doing mistletoe removal, but we want to make sure it doesn't come back.
As you trip and find a lion, and that cold day when you lost control. Shame you left my life so soon. You should have told me. Hey, but you left me far behind. Now maybe I didn't mean to treat you so bad. Oh, but I did anyway. Now maybe some would say you left with what you had. Oh, but you couldn't share the But you left me far behind. Left me far behind. Left me far behind.
Yep. Oh yeah, he's off. Good. Oh yeah. Okay. Let me just boom up.
As it goes to the left, though, it's going to be coming in to the lake. It's going to be coming into the path.
Oh, so you're gonna
Oh yeah, it's yours, bud. Oh yeah. Oh. Take her away, bud. How's that for being out for a rip? Oh yeah, it was moving. Once it started getting momentum, yeah, you weren't slowing it down. Yeah. Hey!
Hey, you're almost done.
The homeowner over there. Lady, and we probably just look absolutely nutty insane.
Dearly beloved, for your entertainment, it's my pleasure to introduce to you. Hello, it's nice to meet you. Can you tell me where I am? I don't know how I got here, but I think I'm starting to understand. The things I did up there were high school, but now I'm going for my degree. Hey, sorry, but you just got in my way. I promise, honey, I can feel your pain, and maybe I enjoy it just a little bit. That makes me insane. Haven't been the same since I expired. Doesn't mean that I plan to retire. And now I have the power to bathe all of you in entertaining fire. Wait a minute, do I know you? Weren't you an old pal of mine? Departed from us far too early, but now we're meeting a second time. We used to have such fun together. Oh, yeah. Maybe you have what I need. Hey, sorry, but you just got in my way. I promise, honey, I can feel your pain, and maybe I enjoy it just a little bit. Does that make me insane? Haven't been the same since I expired. Doesn't mean that I plan to retire. And now I have the power to bathe all of you in entertaining fire. Got in my way. I promise, honey, I can feel your pain, and maybe I enjoy it just a little bit. Does that make me insane?
This is, what'd you say,
84.
1984.
George Orwell's year.
Oh, yeah.
You don't go left.